Hello, my name is Emma Underwood. I'm the General Manager of STEM Restaurants in Mayfair, which is where we are today. STEM is a 36 cover restaurant, and then on top of that we have 8 countertop dining, and we have a chef's table downstairs as well for 6 covers. The food is modern British, as designed by our head chef Sam Ashton-Booth. When I got involved, all the interior design and everything like that had been done. All the fixtures, all the colours and everything like that had been chosen, but all the little bits and pieces like the cutlery and the glasses and the plates and things like that I got to help choose, which was amazing. The location is, it plays a massive part in the theme of the restaurant. So it's that cross-section of like a really expensive part of town and a really accessible part of town. A lot of our thinking when we chose the glassware and things like that was to be elegant, to be classy, to be expensive looking, but also to be accessible. So when we first opened, in terms of uniform, we were very conscious of the location. To start off, I wore like a little suit jacket with linen aprons, and everyone looked lovely, everyone looked really smart. But as time went on and we were understanding our guests a little bit more, it was really important as the restaurant grew, so now we all wear our own clothes. Thinking about designing the bar, we wanted to make it comfortable, so it was really important to me to choose stools that were really comfortable, but also to fit in with the rest of the design as well of the restaurant. The bar is also a walkway. It's like the link between the front room and the back room. So the name STEM is to signify growth because it's our 3rd site, but also we work really closely with a vegetable garden that we have in the north of London. So we grow a lot of our own fruit and veg and herbs. That was really important to bring that element in. Sam's style of cooking is really elegant as well, so I feel that that's reflected in the restaurant too. I think the main advice in opening a restaurant is that you have to be so flexible. You have to understand exactly what your guests want and be open to changing on that. It's important to have your own ethos and to have your own style, but as long as that accommodates the people that are actually dining in your restaurant, that's the only way it'll work. It doesn't matter what you're doing, it matters what they want. The Tomorrow Project was started in 2015 by a food writer, Anna Massing, and chef Dan Doherty. They came together because they wanted to help encourage young people in the industry. So together we put on dinners for different chef de parties, design their own dish, and they come together and create a menu together. We do industry talks about once a month. And then we do the switch, which is what I spearhead. It's the front of house part of it. We pair up 2 different restaurants, we get them to swap a member of front of house for a week. I think technology is changing massively in the restaurant industry. Obviously, online reservations is huge, EPOS systems. Technology in helping us to remember our regular diners is really vital. You know, we'll serve however many covers a week, and for us to try and remember all of them, it's impossible, but to the guests, when they return and having their orders or their drinks remembered is like it's magic for them. They're in a busy restaurant in central London, but for them to feel important, it's a really valuable part of the experience for them. Women really need role models in this industry. The industry is massively male dominated, and I think that women need all the help that they can get in it.